guys, it's Connor, and today I got some two Hot Wheels and a figure. First up, Crayface. He got a hammer he comes with. He can smash stuff with the camera. Don't smash the camera. Sorry. And that's up to the main video. I got a bus. And so this is actually number 6 out of 10. New for 2016, so we're gonna get it open. Here it is, and it says chill mail on it and everything. So, like, boom. And next up, I'm really excited about this one. It's a tank. This is actually number 10 out of 10. This is a tank. We're gonna go over so right now. No. Wait. Oh. Got it. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is the best Hot Wheels car. It turns. Look. Okay. Look. See what it is? Look. It turns around. Like, you can aim it. It's like pretending to shoot. So, oh, and I also got one more toy. I forgot to show you. My voice changer. My favorite setting is Holo. Did I ever tell you the time I got these two necklaces? And it was actually, hello, how can I assist you? Hey, hello, I am a boy. How can I assist you? Yes, boys, old man, robot, and kid. So, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.